Hi, I'm gonna do a review on the Dewalt XR. I just ordered this from Amazon, got a great deal on it. Normally it runs about $350. With the sale, it was like $251, so a much better deal. That's pretty much $100 saving. Came with obviously the bundle. It comes with a nice bag too. The fast charger, which this one alone's like 60 bucks. And the battery, which depending, if you go to the big box store like Home Depot, they're selling these for like $236. Usually at least in the hundreds and something. Like $180 easy. This tool comes with the clip that I just dropped, and wow, it's heavy duty. I'm gonna just kind of open it carefully because I wanna make sure it's working before I just go in, start ripping stuff up. But this is the tool. Battery's pretty heavy actually, and let's see if it has. I'm gonna have to charge this obviously, but let's try it out. Oh yeah, that's nice. I got a project taking a door out, and I'm gonna be using it for putting the plate and the seal against the foundation. I have these two that I ordered from Amazon. Great deal as well. I believe like maybe 15 bucks tops, but if I went to a big store like a Home Depot, this probably runs me in the 20s at least. I know, or I would have to special order and wait days for. It comes with this too, the anti-rotation, which we'll see how that works. I'll review it more once I start using it. I have to charge up the battery. But yeah, thank you guys.